Hi, I am Vladimir Paredes. I am 40 years old. I am electronic technologist. I married with Patricia and I have one son. I'm born in Tuluá Valle. I had two brothers and one sister and my parents are alive. I am a calm person. I am responsible with all aspects of my life. I enjoy on my work but sometimes feel stressed for many responsibilities. At my home, I like so much watch TV and like to share with my family member. I hate to wait the peoples. I don't like the mess. I wake up early in the morning. Then I take a shower. Will my wife prepares me the breakfast and dress out with the uniform, depend on the wear, and go to the company in the cars or in the motorcycle. I work for an 8 hours per day on Monday and Friday. On the when on the weekends I like to go out with my family to different places.